Okay guys, so I'm gonna replace my dual monitor right there with this one right here from MOUNTUP. So just a quick video before I put all of this together is that my monitor right here, you can see that it has a little groove for the monitor stand. So I have to use these black risers for the monitors. So make sure you remember to do that if your monitor is that way. So if you really want to stack two monitors, it would work, but as you can see, it has to be tilted like this, kind of at an angle. It won't stack, it won't stack just straight up. So as you can see, my monitor right now is tilted. This thing is above the ground a little bit because this thing won't go all the way down. All right, and you can see right here the way I've extended it. That's a 227-inch right there. All right, so here it is. The final. This is what it looks like right here with the MOUNTUP dual monitor mount. Again, 27-inch on both. That's what I'm doing. Super easy, I would say, to install, because the difference between this one and some of the other mounts is that this base right here, you install it separately, and then you mount these on top of it. Versus some of the other ones that I have, these come pre-installed already, and so you end up having to struggle with them as you're trying to mount it on your desk, which is a pretty bad way to do it, in my opinion. I think this is the best that I've seen so far, so thumbs up to them. I will probably give this one a 5-star rating. Yep. Have a good one.